not bad. My friends, Dan the Man here. DIY time. We're going to look at Inawera, 5 new flavors. Welcome back to the channel, my friends. Dan the Man here. Or should I say Dan the DIY Man here. We're going to look at 5 flavors that Inawera sent over to me. And I'm kind of excited to get into it. First, let me show you which ones I have, okay? Alright, we've got VooDoo. Silliness. Gentlemen. CultCumber. Red Sting. Sambadrome. Sambadrome is a carnival in Brazil. It's like a big giant parade. It's like a huge party. And so, I haven't spoken with anyone at Inawera, but I'm assuming here that that's what they're trying to say. That this is like a party in your mouth, maybe? But I think they used exotic fruits in it because I can't determine what fruits they used in it. On their website they say red fruits and citrus. Tastes like a fruit punch, okay? But an exotic fruit punch. It's fabulous, man. It is fantastic. Now, unfortunately, you're not going to see me hit it because I vaped it down. I can't, like, that's all there is. I can't even get a taste off of that. It's completely gone. I spent all day yesterday hitting vaping it and trying to decide what I was tasting. And like I said, it's an exotic fruit punch, and it is freaking delicious. As a matter of fact, I'm looking forward to this because every one of these is good, and that, my friends, surprised the heck out of me. So I'm going to get into them. I just want you to know right up front, every one of these has a 5-star rating for me, and I'm extremely picky. But man, they hit it out of the park with these. They're fabulous. They're phenomenal. Today we did the Sambadrome, and I'm gonna do one more, and then tomorrow I'm gonna vape a whole bottle of one of these and come back to you. I found that if I just sit and vape one flavor like all day, I get a better understanding of it. Y'all know what I mean. I know you do. For you mixers out there, you know what I mean. Nobody else knows. Nobody else knows what I mean, though. Just the mixers. How arrogant can I get, man? Anywho, I've got in here the VooDoo right now. And this was filled all the way up to here, okay? I've vaped it down to there, and I'm pretty sure I got a really good handle on this. It's fabulous. The VooDoo is a guava citrus medley. That guava is popping, man. And the citrus medley, meaning more than one citrus, obviously, right? It's balanced. It's perfectly balanced. This, now I've never had a guava before. A guava vape, I should say. God, it's just fat. It's just delicious, man. All on its own. It doesn't need anything else. But I want to get some mango in there, and maybe some pineapple, maybe some papaya, maybe some CultCumber. I don't know, but I want to play with this, man. I want to play with the VooDoo. It's a 5-star from me. Not only is it going to be just fabulous on its own, but you can do a lot with it. It's ready in 2 weeks. I personally steeped it a month, and like I said, it was ready in 2 weeks. VooDoo, my friends. Good stuff. Time for CultCumber by Inawera. And as you can see, the one I had mixed up is just about empty. I think I got a couple more vapes in it. I usually fill them up to there and then vape it down. Now, the reason, and I probably already said this in a different part of the video, and I knew this, but I'm just now kind of discovering it and putting it into practice, if you will. But instead of just taking this and using my other taster RDA just to test to see if I should keep vaping it or keep mixing with it, you know, I'm using a decent RDA and then vaping it down, vaping it, you know, all day, or however long it takes to vape that bit. Spending some time with it and getting to know it so that I can have a better understanding of the flavor and of the concentrate and what to do, what not to do with it. Now, that doesn't mean I know what to do with this CultCumber except for vape it. That's where y'all are going to come in, and I'm asking for some help. But first of all, let's go to Inawera's website, and I'm going to read what they have for CultCumber. Their description of it is cucumber, lime, mint. When I hit this, man, it's surprisingly delicious. That's not something I would pick out for myself. Anything that says lime and mint on it, I'm going to skip over. Especially the mint part. As a matter of fact, I've tried a mint vape once, years ago, and I didn't like it and want anything to do with it. But I will have something to do with this CultCumber by Inawera, because it's fabulous, man. It's got great mouthfeel. You get the cucumber and the mint and the lime. It's like, it's as a matter of fact, you look on there and there's a drink there, right? Yeah, that's the feel I get with it. I'm not getting like mint here, or cucumber on the front and lime in the middle and mint on the end, even though I am getting the mint on the end. But the mint's like, you know, when you have mint, it sticks around for a second, right? And so that is on the end. It is the back end. But this is mixed so well together that it has its own flavor. You can taste, I feel like I'm just repeating myself, trying to get you to understand what I'm tasting. You're going to have to taste it yourself to get it, to figure out. I recommend picking this up. It's a 5-star. I'm giving it 5 stars. I especially like the single flavor aspect of it. For you beginners, you can mix this up. I mixed it at 3%. I wouldn't go any higher. I would go lower. I'd drop it to 2, and I bet it's still good. Maybe even to 1. But with you guys, you beginners, you can take this, mix it, steep it, and vape it, and enjoy vaping it while you're working on something else. Now here's where I'm asking for help from you vapors, from you mixers that enjoy lime and mint, and even cucumber. It's my first cucumber concentrate I've had, and I'm thoroughly enjoying it, but I don't know how to mix with this mint, and I would like to some advice. Maybe hey, try it with this or try it with that, and you know what I'm saying here. Pick it up if you want. No way, no. You know what? Just pick it up. You're gonna like it, I guarantee it. Friends, Danny Man here. Inawera's Red Sting is next. You can see it's down to there. And really it hasn't moved much. Because I haven't been vaping it a lot. Mainly because it needs to steep more. This one is a month. It needs a month to steep, and that's just all there is to it. So I'm going to do that, but we can still talk about it. Now, on their website, Inawera's website, Red Sting, blueberry, grape, aniseed, sweet eucalyptus, and menthol. I only like one of those things, blueberry. It's unfortunate. Now, having said that, it's really quite good. I'm amazed, to be honest. Mostly I'm tasting the potential of what it can be, because it's not quite done steeping. But it's good. Where it's going, it's awesome. I'm looking forward to seeing, what comes out the most. Right now, I would say, man, such a. Let me take a rip. I don't know, the eucalyptus, I think, and then the menthol, and then the aniseed, grape, and blueberry. Amazingly good, even though most of that stuff I don't like. It's not something I would keep vaping, though. It's not something I personally would have in my stash, because I don't make a lot of stuff for other people, and that would be the only reason I'd have it around, is for someone else. So it would probably just go to waste. I'd end up giving it away, which I have some, which I will give away. As a matter of fact, this is perfect for a beginner, or, you know what, it's perfect for anybody that likes this type of stuff. Menthol and eucalyptus type stuff. Anywho, yeah, that's my story, and I'm sticking to it. Okay, I'm gonna give it away. Who wants it? Leave a comment. Okay, last but not least, my friends, Gentleman by Inawera. Gentleman is described on Inawera's website as a tobacco nutty sweetness. And yeah, that's what it is, and it's fabulous. I like it a lot. It's pretty much my favorite one that they sent me, and that's mostly because it's a nut flavor. Maybe it's a tobacco. Maybe there's a new nut called tobacco. Huh? I don't know. when you open this up after steeping, and actually right when you open up this, it punches you right in the throat. Have you ever come into a room where fresh popcorn was made and it got you in the throat? Yeah, basically that's it. I'm not saying this tastes like popcorn. I'm just saying that's what the smell is like. It's got acetylpyrazine in it, obviously. That's what I'm smelling. As a matter of fact, if you've ever had Inawera's biscuit, that has acetylpyrazine in it. Or if you've ever had acetylpyrazine, that has acetylpyrazine in it. Yeah. Alright, quit being a dork. I was looking forward to this because, like I said, I've already got ideas of what I'm going to do with this. I actually already mixed something with it, believe it or not. I just had a brain fart. Inawera's custard and Inawera's Sisha vanilla, both of which I put in with the Gentleman, and really looking forward to that. I love me a nutty custard vape. And this is more, or the Gentleman, this is more nutty than it is tobacco-y. The tobacco's on the back end. The taste, if you taste it, the smell, everything is the nuts up front. Tobacco on the back end with the sweetness tying it all together. It's a fabulous vape. It's a tad bit dry, so it does need, in my opinion, something to juice it up a little bit, and Shisha Vanilla should do that, and so should the custard. It should take the tiny bit of dryness it has away. Yeah, it's my story and I'm sticking to it. That was weird, right? Anywho, so that's that. That's the flavor, and that's the line that I got from Inawera. I'm excited about it. Hopefully I can get some more from them. None of this did I lie about. You guys know me. That's not the kind of guy I am. If I don't like something, I'm gonna tell you. And normally, I'm a picky man. I'm picky when it comes to my concentrates, and I'm impressed, man. I'm impressed. They hit it out of the ballpark with these flavors here. This is Dan the Man signing out. Peace.